everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about that woman way tie a pikin for ground that day. So they don't finally find out who the woman be, my darling people. Not be stepmom, oh. Hey, hey, my people, oh. Una remember the topic when I say the woman wey tie a pikin for ground. I call the feel say na this thing she be maybe like stepmother wey tie pikin tie hand put for back. So people come say na stepmom for the video, you know. Not know e say not be the stepmom. Na e mom, na e mama, my darling people. E mama na do this one. I go put the video more and listen. Your mama na do this thing. Not be say na even another person, my darling people. This woman, they come they ask am say why you tie your pikin? That is human right. She say the pikin they always they come up for house. The pikin not they stay house. Now it make she can't tie the pikin. She feel say that the best thing to do now be that one. You know, now human rights call the ten and say you for come report to us. They're not the type pikin like that. The way you tie that pikin, it not good. They able to say you be stepmom, say no. Now you be mama. Say I beg, make people forgive am. He no know where to come over her, you know. So my darling people, this one it shocked me like seriously. Why I want to do this topic again? I don't let them long, just short video, you know, just to take advice our mothers there. You know, our mothers, we believe say na to beat pikin, na ain't good to take discipline them. No, not be to beat pikin. Maybe we not all rely on beating. Not they beat pikin like that. It's not good. You understand? Because we too believe on all those things. Say now so they take the discipline pikin. That pikin that they can't they weak. Now God send me that pikin not me. The way they tie the pikin, tie and tight, you know. And they ask her, say that she do it by herself. What you come over you now? Wish enter you that day. Now wish enter you this woman. Eh? I know say some pikin they way they stubborn, but not be the one where you take time like that. That time was too strong. It not just good at all. You understand? So my darling people, I shocked when me I see the video. I beg mothers, maybe the reason before they react for some kind things. You understand? The beating was too much. The way you take tie that pikin was too much. It's not good. You understand? So I go put the video for more now watch because I don't want to make the video too long. Our mothers now just really come say make I can't advise them. I beg, if you see this video, share the video, please. And always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video, please. And my darling people, please, mothers, please. But we know they react like this again. This react way with they react sometimes, you know, good. They lead to another thing. You understand? You can imagine the way this woman now, the way this woman they react for a pikin. You know, pikin when he born with the bekus, he can't tie him. Tie your hand, go back. If not be say YouTube not dey agree all those things. I for put the video more on listing, more on see am. You understand? But YouTube not go agree all those things. So this one it shocked me like who does that? Tie pikin like that? Just tie your hand, go back. You know good. Some pikin dey wey dey stubborn, fine, but your own mama, as in wey those woman talk say na him born the pikin. Me, I shocked. I shock. I feel say maybe not being born and more. Not all those stepmother now. Hey, they always they wicked. I don't feel say maybe a stepmother. Now you all do that into the girl, to the boy. I don't know say na a mama. Eh? I even don't say na stepmother. I don't know say mama. Now you just do this thing to your own pikin. Your mama. This one it shocked me. I wanna reason this matter, my people. I wanna reason now. What did this woman do so it good? What did this woman do? Now good thing or na bad thing, my darling people? But help me reason and more with this the way the woman take react for a pikin. Now that the best way to react, the way they react for that pikin, not be the best way. Not be the best way at all. Don't they take decision like that? I beg. In case of next time, not take that kind of decision for your own pikin again. Eh? Your own pikin, just tie your hand, go back like that. You be want memera. You be want meme the pikin. Eh? Your own pikin, you just carry your hand, you tie and go back, carry your leg, tie and join am. If not be say people come, that pikin for meme, how you for come reason am? How you for come reason am? You say you don't know. What how you for you for forgive yourself? Your own pikin, you tie your hand, go back like that. You say you want just tie your hand, go back. Maybe you take discipline. And that pikin be don't they meme they go. If not be say people quick come. So how you for reason am? How you for reason the matter? Say supposing that pikin can't just quick for them and I just go like that. You for leave am say you for the cry now say I die no. I die no, it's too late. So that is where we have to the reason before we react. Mothers, please don't beat your children again. Not good. Not beat your pikin. Use man torture am. They go yeah. You understand? So I'll put the video now. Mona watch my darling people. Mona help me reason how not think. Wait till not think. Mona leave on a comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye. Share this video for me. Always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.
Madam.
Sir.
I beg look me away. Now human rights activists now they talk to you. What be your name?
My name is Betty.
Your full name now I want to know your full name and your including your husband name.
My name is Betty Kennedy.
Betty Kennedy. Okay. Yesterday being March 8th. We see you for social media. You tie one pikin. I beg, who get the pikin?
Na my pikin.
Now your pikin now you tie like that. Okay, what did the pikin do you?
No, who tied the pikin?
Who tied the pikin?
Na me tire.
Now you tie the pikin. First of all, where you dey stay, sir?
Ogara.
Where for Gara Road?
I don't just too much money.
Now which Ogara for Jesse Sadabi Ogara for Agbaru?
Ogara for Agbara.
For Agbaru. Who tied the pikin?
Na me.
Why you tie the pikin? You know say that thing when you do na child abuse.
I don't say my child abuse you. Beg, na mistake.
Okay, wait, what be the pikin name?
Rejoice.
Rejoice who?
Rejoice Kennedy.
Rejoice Kennedy. Okay. What make you tie the pikin for the first place?
Wetin make type the pikin be say the pikin dey run dey comot for house. If you run comot for house, we no dey see am again. We come find reach midnight. Na vigilante like all the time dey come house every midnight 2 o'clock.
Why? Then why you know you report to police? Why you no report to police?
That be the mistake.
Then why you no come meet the human rights activists then? Why you no report to them? Because me as a human rights, my office dey Okoko here by the aeroplane there. Why you no come meet me there? Talk now.
Please forgive me because I don't actually know. I don't actually know what happened.
Well,
May God help you.
no, Allah, may God help you. May God help you in Jesus' name.